Got a bowl, I got a knife, and a spoon, and some tongs, because we're about to harvest some prickly pears. The reason I'm using tongs is because these have really annoying spikes. Just gonna give it a bit of a twist here. Comes off like that. You can see the spikes. I'm gonna cut one of these open and see what they look like. Might be a bit better. Oh yeah, nice and It's a lot of hard seeds like a guava. I'm also really grateful to have all these apples that are just about ripe at the moment. You know, if I were to pick that, I'd still be able to eat it, it'd still be sweet. Look at that. That one looks pretty damn good, to be honest. That's a pink lady. Small one. Look, it just fell off without me even having to try. So, sit in this beautiful grass here. In this awesome fly net. No flies hitting me on the face. There might be about 100 on here. I think this is probably 80% ripe. Very grateful for this at the moment because it's hard for me to afford to buy fruit. But I got this, which I just harvested. A few prickly pears, that's a meal. These taste really nice and sweet. I've also got Valencia Pride oranges, some kumquats, got some eggplants and melons and zucchinis forming. Grateful, you know. I'm just glad that it's finally starting to pay off. I'm starting to get a bit of a return. Now I just need society to collapse. And then it's mine. And then humanity can start to evolve. No more taxation. No more having to work a job you hate. Establish your fucking home, garden. Feed yourself. Like a fucking role-playing game. Free as nature intended. You want to come in, Chinsky? Careful, Chin. It's actually a really nice area under this apple tree. It's the only place with grass for now. And I'll ditch it. Maybe it'll become an apple tree one day. Yeah, that's a bit better. I'm gonna peel this hopefully in one go. Oh, just look at that juice and that oil coming off that skin. You probably missed it, sorry, but let's keep going. Pretty good so far. So while everyone else is playing video games, I'm out here fucking playing the peel orange game. And I did it. And look, what's actually good about this is you can make a candle out of that. See, you got the wick in the middle. That thing. And you just fill that with like any old oil and then wait for it to dry out first and then just burn it. So let's have a look at this, eh? I'd like to peel the pith off it sometimes, and I do hate that word. But and these are really sweet this time of year. So if I'm ever dehydrated or I can just feel that I need some vitamin C, come out here for an orange, or I also got pine needles which are rich in vitamin C. And it makes me happy. And I start dancing. I don't think you can have a bad time eating fresh fruit off a tree that's organic. I think it's the most obvious food for humanity, fruit. You can see what I really love about these is the outer casing comes off really easily, especially when it's like been left on the tree for a while. And what you got on the inside is just that pure orange, like you see the vesicles, right? Oh my god, yes. And it's just pure sugar sweetness, because the pith is the nutrients, and it's the medicine. This is the nutrients and the fucking ecstasy. The consistency is so different.